Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at two Spanish magazines and a British magazine. Give you the usual scanner bat from the poor Bruce Lee collector. You know, times are hard. Plenty of sunshine today in Nottingham. Well, let's get on with this review then. Here we are. We've got two Spanish Revista magazines. And Combat, the 100th anniversary special edition. No Bruce Lee in it, but we'll have a look anyway. So let me set up the tripod. Welcome back. Right, we've got Bruce Lee Revista Spanish magazine, number 8. I got these for free. These ones I've got, so I don't collect these, but I keep them because you know, it's nice to have a couple of them anyway. Say the Spanish, I don't know what they're saying. Larry Hartsell, Karate Classico. Any foreign magazine we only got pictures in the Bruce, they're all right by me. Club Amigos de Bruce Lee. There's some more of them. So if you can speak Spanish, I suppose they're very good. Is number 11. Say Bruce, massive all over the world. Sterling Sullivan.
I have no fear of violence, only fair play in my heart. I don't ask much, just to fight the chance to burst off steel, beat that can fall.
Like I say, I got these thrown in with other magazines, so no for free, you'll take it. Okay, this is Combat Volume 8, Number 4, 1982. 100th Anniversary Edition. Just a picture of Bruce on the front. Nothing inside, but it's pretty interesting stuff anyway.
Get me near, I don't care at all. Honest and brave, I hold my heart. Even my heart.
Like I say, if you've got a full collection of Combat, you're doing well, because they went on for donkey's years.
The game of death, I do not fear. The game of death,
Power punching.
the game of death.
Some sort of poster in here. I don't know what it is. I've never still attached. I've never moved it.
I do not fear the game of death. I do not fear.
Nice look into the past, anyway. Nottingham, Full Contact. Look at that, eh? January the 31st, 1981. Like a bit of karate and knots me. Bruce Lee Collectors Club. Sparkill. I like looking at the adverts, they're quite amusing sometimes. Like I say, that's 3. We got all them for free, so just a few more items to add to your collection, you know what I mean? Have a great day, Bruce Collectors. Remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!